Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be restoring this controller here. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's quite yellow. So we're going to be trying to use a Retrobrite solution to restore the controller. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take apart the controller. So let's do that now. So we just need to take the screws off the bottom. Yep, a Retrobrite solution is just a mixture of hydrogen peroxide, cornstarch, and some whitening powder, so like a OxyClean or something like that, and it should get rid of the yellowing. So now that we've taken all those screws off, we can pull that out. Let's remove the screws because we're going to be whitening that piece. Yep, and let's just make sure there's no screws here. No, there isn't. So let's pull the board out of the controller. There we go, so we can take that away. And now let's just take all of these out because we don't want to wipe those. I got this controller from Japan, so it's pretty clean. It's just yellowed like most things. And if this works well, we'll be doing a Super Nintendo as well. So then we've got our two joysticks, two triggers, and both sides. Okay, so now let's make the mixture for retrobriting. So let's move these out of the way. Yep, so we're gonna need some xanthan gum or cornstarch. We're gonna need some type of laundry detergent, something that's whitening, and some hydrogen peroxide. I could only find 3%, so let's see how this goes. So first, to start the mixture, let's add half a cup. Let's grab our mixture bowl and let's add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. I'm just gonna do some approximate measures. So, yeah, it's about half a cup. Let's add a tablespoon of xanthan gum. Yeah, I call it about a tablespoon. Now let's grab something to mix it. We want something that's pasty, so we can just paste it on. Yeah, that looks somewhat good. So I'm gonna go heat this up in the microwave for 30 seconds. Yep, and now that that's heated up, let's add the laundry powder. I try to find a local equivalent to OxyClean that's used in the American recipe. Let's add about a tablespoon of this too. Yep, that looks like about the right amount. Now let's mix that in. There we go, that looks about right. So let's go outside and add that onto the device now. When applying the Retrobrite to the controllers, I used a bit of Glad wrap and put some of the paste on the Glad wrap and the controllers. And then I wrapped it up in the Glad wrap and made sure it was covered fully. By doing this, I also noticed though that it was a bit too thick and that might have caused it not working as well. So then I did this for the second controller too. And I put quite an excessive amount on there. Might need to use less next time. With the triggers, I definitely put too much Retrobrite in there, but I guess it might have still worked. So then next step after covering all the components was to put them outside. And then I just put them outside in the sun for a few hours and let them sit there for a while. And then after that was complete and was sitting in the sun for about 10 hours, I took them out of the Glad wrap and cleaned them off to get the result you see now. Yep, and the change is nothing. So 3% hydrogen peroxide doesn't seem to work. So I'll just have to do it again, maybe with 6% in another video or another time. But that's all I'm going to do for today. So thanks for watching. If you like content like this, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like it. And until next time, thanks for watching.